Hi, today in front of you we have Y22s and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the settings and scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility. Then tap to quick action, and just to activate the quick launch we should tap on the switcher, and now we'll just, for example, turn on the flashlight by double press to volume down button. So let's just check. Now let's double press it. Okay, on the lock screen, I think, yeah. So just let's lock the device and press and hold the power key, or not power key, the down volume button, and by the same we can also turn it off. So as you can see, that's so simple. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.